Hey everyone, I know this is a bit of an odd setting right now, but if you're wondering, we're just with my parents and Clark's parents for a little New Year's Eve bonfire at my parents' house in their back garden. Having so much fun! Yep, we're gonna go ahead and set off the fireworks soon because it's 11:50. Yep. Yeah. Can't believe it. Yep, I'm so excited. You're so funny. Oh, thank you. Why'd you laugh like that? I was like, what is happening to your shoe? Alright. And now, this is how my shoe works. Guys, I'm sorry, what the heck is that? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Yes! 2025! Go, 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 go! Yes, please! Oh my god! Wow! Can you want to do that numbering? Yeah, I can too. What's happening? Why is it shaky? Oh my god. What's happening? Guys, I think it's an earthquake. Oh my gosh, everybody get inside our house. Ah! Oh my god, we've got to put all the fires out and everything. Shh. Oh my gosh, what is happening? Go inside. Oh my gosh. Ah! So it's been about, I would say, 2 weeks since that massive earthquake. The whole of Tokyo City has basically been destroyed since of this. But as you just saw, we've moved closer to both of our families, so we're about 20 minutes away now. So that is really, really good. But we did buy this new house, but obviously is extremely ruined from the earthquake too. But our old house, it's just all gone. It was having some problems anyways, and it was bad that we were also in the middle of renovating our front porch, so that did not help with the structure. But we were planning on moving anyway, so we just decided to get a new house. Now it has set us a little bit back on money, but we decided we did need a good house. So I don't really care about the price. I'm so excited. This house is apparently really nice. Yep. And everyone gets their own rooms, well, except the babies, but, you know, basically everyone. Yeah, apparently except for parents. And that's sad. But we're just going to go ahead in. Guys, we're going to ignore how this was literally their last house. Yeah, we're going to pretend it's a different house because Toko won't let you edit the front of your houses, which is kind of annoying. But yeah, I'll go in. What are those stains? That is disgusting. Oh my gosh. Sienna, you're so overdramatic. By the way, guys, it is kind of gross, but I don't mind. We're going to make this seem beautiful. You can use this house in your videos. Ooh. I don't need any credit, but it would be appreciated. Also, this part won't be voiceovered because, as you can hear, my throat is very sore. Anyways, let's get started. Enjoy the music. guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, subscribe if you want to. Please, and question of the day is, what time did you like go to bed on New Year's Eve? Me, it was literally 1:15. Whoops. Anyways, love you everyone in the world. Bye. Also, please like, subscribe actually, because this video took me all day to film.